Hello and welcome back to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz and this month's sew along is going to be the honey backpack. This is a pattern I've designed myself. I've wanted to do this for a little while. I've always dreamed of designing a backpack pattern, so I hope you like it. It's medium size. You have contrast base, which I've made in the leatherette here, and then I've used a stripe for the main fabric. You've got this gorgeous trim. The bag closes with a lobster clip, making it really secure, and then on top of that you've got a zip fastening. We've got a grab handle at the top, adjustable straps at the back, and then one of my favourite parts, we've just got this hidden secret pocket in the back there that you can easily access. Even when you're wearing your backpack, you can reach around and grab things out of that pocket, where I like to keep my phone. And then if we open up our bag, the inside features a really pretty contrast binding to finish it. You've got a large pocket at the back to separate things, maybe put an iPad even, and then you've got a smaller patch pocket at the front. On top of that, I always like to have a key fob, just because otherwise my keys get lost at the bottom of my bag. And with that lovely big zip opening, it's really easy to get into the bottom of your bag there as well. So I'd say this is an intermediate project. So if you're just a confident beginner or intermediate sewer, maybe you've done a few projects and you're ready to progress your skills, this is a great project for you. I'm going to take you through really carefully each and every step, so hopefully it shouldn't be too tricky. Just at the last stage, doing this round angled seam here and the binding at the end, that's the only real more intermediate part. I'd say the rest is more beginner friendly. And yeah, it's a really useful bag and great to keep or to give as a gift. So I hope you enjoy sewing along with me today. There's about 8 videos to follow, each one of them covering one stage of the make, so you can take it nice and easy. If you want to, you can download or buy the paper pattern. So there's a PDF and a paper pattern for the honey backpack, which is available at flyingbobbins.com, and I shall put a link in the description box down below so you can easily find that. You would need a pattern for this. There are some unusual shapes, just to do with the fact that it is an angled bag. You know, it's bigger at the base than it is at the top. So yeah, you can download the PDF pattern or buy the paper pattern from Flying Bobbins. There are also a choice of 4 different kits. We've got the stripes here, we've got a floral print, a tropical print, and a black and gold bee print as well. And each one of those kits comes with everything you need to make this bag, including all of the trims, beautifully coordinated, and all of the interfacings and linings too. And you get the pattern in that kit, in that boxed kit, and I'll put a link to that down below as well. If you are a member of the Sew Along Club, then welcome back. I hope you enjoy this month's project. If you'd like to find out more about the Sew Along Club, then I'll put another link in the description box below so that you can learn more. I feature a new project every month, including popular dressmaking projects, masterclasses on interesting sewing related topics, and of course some original Flying Bobbins projects as well. So without further ado, let's get started.